Hey guys, another scalp for you today, and today is Friday, October 11th, so third scalp so far. So let's see what happened. So, price made a high up here, made a minor low, kept going, made a low here, right? Okay, so that's our measured move, right? Let's put the fibs on that. So basically high, low, and we got our 25% retracement right here at 368.25. So where's the entry? Well, it came up here, it touched, it broke through. Technically, that's the entry, right? Or you wait. Stop loss there. Wait, so what happens? Retested. No, sorry, let me rephrase that. That first entry was the entry. Why? Because it's above the EMA. So there's the EMA coming down. So it's closing, this candle's closing above the EMA and the 25% retracement at the same time. So you have a double confluence. This is ideal. This is what you want. We have a triple confluence. This is resistance. So basically, normally when you can see, it pops up, boom, pops up, boom, wants to, okay, so what happens? Boom. So the fact that it's touched this level, love that. Double confluence here at the 25% retracement, excellent. Enter your order, stop goes there. This one, it would have tested you, okay, it almost hit the 50% retracement. Here, didn't, sold back to your entry, and then you're underwater. Didn't stop you out, so don't touch your stops, right? Okay, kept going, closes above the EMAs. Now that's bullish. Now look how fast, boom, first TP1 hit now. Okay, now it's sold off. Okay, so now this is a bit tricky. You would have had to sit. Do you move your stop up a bit? I would have moved it up a little bit. Chopped around, hit the 50 again, came back down, psyched everybody out with a fake spike down. Boom, hit the 50, comes up, TP2 hit, and we're still waiting to see if TP3 would be hit. So from 25% retracement to the 75%, let's see what points those are. So that's from 68 to 78. That's a lovely 10-point scalp right there. 10 points, quick. And, you know, you would have to wait. I mean, this was 520. Oh my God, you would have to wait 15 minutes for that trade. 15 minutes to make $400 on one contract. Jeez, that's a tough $400. You got to sit there for 15 minutes and not do anything. Don't mess with the system. Can you do that? Would it be even harder? With 4 contracts, that's $1,600 if it hits the 100% retracement. Right, but anyways, it's 5-second chart is what I'm using, and it just keeps repeating itself and repeating itself. Look at this, look at this. This is going for 382, so this is going to go for 100% retracement here. 4 contracts in. Down here, if it hits up here, you know, that's payday. That's payday. But ideally, what you want to do is you want to book profits on the way up, right? So you take profits at the 50, you take profits at the 75, take profits at the 100% retracement, and then if you had 4 contracts, you got 1 runner left, right? And why you want that? Well, because it could keep, it, you know, nobody knows how high it can go, right? So leave a runner. Leave a runner. Put your stops to break even. And then slowly trail up the stops. You know, that's how you want to trade. You know, this is gonna get hit. This is gunning for this level. It's coming. It's coming, come on. You're gonna push? You're gonna give a push? Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Come on. Alright, anyways, I'm going to end the video here. You get the idea. Clear, concise, stop levels, clear, concise, entry level, clear and concise, take profit levels. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 is the runner, basically. So this one at the 100% retracement, that would be TP3. So TP1 is the 50%, TP2 is the 75%, TP3 is 100% retracement of that measured move down, which is right here, from the high to the low. And yeah, this wants to hit. This wants to hit the level. It's going sideways for a bit. But yeah, you know, the hardest part of trading is not trading, if that makes any sense. And I struggle with this all the time. It's just I overtrade. You know, it's so hard not to. Why? Because every time you look at the chart, you're seeing potential opportunity to get rich. What your brain fails to realize is it's a threat, it's a hazard, it's a risk. Every time you enter a position, there's potential chance of ruin, right? You're gonna lose money if you don't control it, if you don't have a system in place. You get hurt, you know. So it's not all fun and games and sunny. It's, yes, opportunity, but it's got to be calculated risk, okay? Because it is a risk every time you're in the market. So yeah, we didn't get tagged out at 100% retracement. That's okay. This was still a winning trade, and you should have been stopped out for break even already. You know, break even should have been at the 75%. I'm sorry, your stop should have been at the 75%. As price tried to make a high and it couldn't, you know, you never let a green trade turn into a red trade. We're in the money, don't give it back. Wait for the next setup, okay? Now this may get hit, doesn't matter, we're out. So yeah, it was a nice trade, nice scalp. Until the next one, laters.